Hey, good morning, parents. My name is Emily Edmondson. I teach third grade here at Glanton Heinzman Elementary. Today, I'm going to show you how to log into Google Classroom for your students to access their digital learning for the next 2 weeks. So the first thing you want to do is you want to bring up your Google home screen. Over here in the corner, you're going to see where you've logged in. You want to click over here and you want to log out of all accounts. So down here it says sign out. Some of it says sign out of all accounts. You click sign out. And this is going to allow your student to access their Google Classroom. Use another account. For this one, you're going to type in student, your child's lunch number, at Carroll County Schools.com. So it's student, their 5-digit lunch number at Carroll County Schools.com. You'll click the next button. On the next button, there's 2 options for a password. This password is the password that your child uses every day to log into their Chromebook. So if they don't remember it, it is typically change.me. Change.me is usually the second option. The first option, though, is their birthday. And their birthday is going to be the 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. So for this student, it is his birthday, so it's the 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. You're going to click next. It's going to log you in, and you'll see over here the child's logged in. Then I'm going to go to my waffle right here that says Google Apps, and you have Classroom. So click on the Classroom link. On Google Classroom, you're going to have your child's, whatever your child's classes are. So for this student, he has my math and science class, his social studies class, and his ELA class. Now the same document is posted in each of these, and so he only has to work through one of them. For him, he'll go to Miss Edmondson's Math and Science, since I am his homeroom teacher. For you, just go to your homeroom teacher, and all of your assignments are going to be in this one document. So we'll go ahead and go over here. Also, if your child is a Quest student, they also have their Quest class, and they have assignments that they have to complete on their Quest days. So looking in Google Classroom, here's a quick handout for students to read, but it shows that a new assignment has been posted. This is the Digital Learning Day assignment. You click on this. Here is the digital learning. So all they have to do is click here. It shows them exactly what to do each day. So here's day 1. Here's all of your pictures, and each picture is a link. So you just have to click on the links. Here you go. You're just clicking the links, and it'll bring you to the website. Under each day, it has your must-dos, and then it has your can-dos. So parents, making sure your child are doing that must-do list every single day. And it changes from day to day. So you'll have your same things that we do every day in class, but then you'll have a math or a reading IXL, and those change. And then PE and art will change each day. So just take a look at that, and it'll show you what to complete each day. That is how to log into Google Classroom, how to access your file. The most important thing is making sure you log out of every other account before you try to log into Google Classroom, because it will not work if you do not log out of every account. Feel free to email me or any of your teachers if you have questions on how to log in, or if you have questions about your daily activities. We are here to respond to you from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. each day. So feel free to message us. We are here. Dojo, email. A lot of you have your teacher's phone numbers. Just go ahead and call them or send them a message, and we will be willing to help. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon, and I hope you have fun using some digital learning days, guys.